In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert an arrow symbol to Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then click on the Microsoft Word. Click on it on the blank document. Now we are going to go with the basic way or the easiest way to insert an arrow symbol. So click on the Insert tab. Then click on Symbol. Click on the drop down and click on More Symbols. Then you'll find font, change that to normal text. For the subset, simply choose arrows. Okay? And here it is. You can find different arrow symbols that you can choose from. You have an arrow up, an arrow to the right, an arrow to the left, an arrow down. And then you also have here the diagonal arrows. So that's it. That's how you can easily just simply click on the insert button and the arrow will be inserted from here. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.